Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to add weather widget in our Samsung S22. How to add weather widgets? We need to tap and hold the screen on an empty space until we see this menu right here. Widgets, and here we have a lot of default widgets. We are interested in weather widgets. And here we have a few options. Let's use this one, for example, add. And now we can move it, customize it. But of course we need to have our navigation turned on for it to work properly. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.